Hello there everyone. Now I'm going to be teaching you how you can put this wallpaper, live wallpaper in the background using a software called Wallpaper Engine. And the one I have is like reactive to music. If I play music, then it's gonna be showing all of this. So um, to get started, I'll have this link down in the description. What you have to do is just copy it and paste it on a browser, and you're gonna be taken to a Google Drive link. Okay, so you have to download this folder. Okay, and it's gonna be archived. What you have to do is extract it. So after you've got it extracted, the folder will look something like this. Okay, this is gonna be the folder. It's gonna have these contents. Just in case you can't extract it, you can download this software called a WinRAR. So I have the setup here as well, so you can download it and then extract it. Then you'll have this. Okay, search for a file named installer.exe. So just run that, and it's gonna show setting up Wallpaper Engine. Now I had it already installed, so it just close my Wallpaper Engine. Okay, completed setup of the version. Okay, so it's gonna automatically run all of this. Now you won't have this custom wallpaper installed by default in the Wallpaper Engine. So to get a custom wallpaper, you have to go to a site called Steam community. Okay, and there'll be the workshop. Okay, so all you have to do is just search Wallpaper Engine wallpapers. Okay, and just search for the Steam community website. It's here. Just click it and you'll be taken to this site. Just select whichever you want. Let's go with this, for example. Okay, now for me to put this and as a wallpaper, I have to copy this URL. Okay, just copy it and search Steam Workshop Downloader in Google. Steam Workshop Downloader, and then just open up the first site, then paste the link here, and it's gonna show up here, right? So just download it. It's gonna say trying to download. Okay, so I'm gonna download it in the desktop. And we're gonna wait. Okay, so it's downloaded, and you're gonna extract it. This is a folder. Just copy or cut it. For me, I'll just cut it and open the Wallpaper Engine folder, right? So I'll search for projects and then my projects, and I'll paste it here. Okay, so at this point I'm gonna be closing Wallpaper Engine and relaunching it so that it detects it. There we go. Wake me with the skies, and I click it. It's gonna set it as the wallpaper. So that is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe. Bye bye.